Nigeria might be heading to a constitutional crisis because of the hasty manner the Supreme Court convened the 7 panel of justices that will hear the appeal of Peter Obi of the Labour Party and Atiku Abubakar of the PDP. One of the justices will be retiring on the 27th of October 2023. That's next week. And it seems he's the head of the panel. For their judgment to be legal in the eyes of the law, that's if we still have anything called legal or eyes of the law, however they interpret the law is how we take it. All members of the panel of justices that will hear this appeal must still be actively employed as justices of the Supreme Court by the time they will deliver their judgment. If one of them is no longer employed, that means the judgment cannot stand. Of course, there's no other court one can appeal whatever they conjure here. That's assuming that they go on to deliver justice while one is no longer employed by the Supreme Court. On the other hand, it shows that they might deliver judgment on Monday or before the chairman of the panel retires. That's on the 27th. Yes, the Supreme Court can deliver judgment and tell you to wait for the written judgment to come out. That written judgment might take up to 1 month or more to come out. They've done it many times in the past, so if they do it on Monday, it won't be the first time. But assuming they deliver judgment on Monday, it will make one to wonder how and when did they go through all the grounds for appeal that the petitioners raised. Peter Obi and Labour Party raised many grounds for appeal, likewise Atiku Abubakar. When did they go through all this to determine and come out on Monday, assuming they do that, to say, yes, we are upholding all that the appeal court did, or that we are disqualifying Tinubu, or that they are cancelling the election? Remember that Monday will be the first day of hearing. They are supposed to determine if they will admit the new evidence that Atiku got from Chicago. As you know, that new evidence from Chicago State University, including their oral deposition, substantially proves many things. The major one is that the certificate that Tinubu submitted to INEC was forged. They said they didn't issue him any certificate. They denied the particular certificate he submitted when it was shown to them. And certificate forgery is a constitutional matter. This evidence that Atiku got wasn't available the time the appeal court was hearing the petition from him and Peter Obi and Labour Party. So this is new evidence. The Supreme Court will have no reason in the world not to admit it because it is a constitutional matter. And assuming they will do the right thing, they can deliver justice on that same Monday because it's straightforward. It's in black and white. Someone who forges a certificate will be disqualified. That's what the law says. But we all know that they will not do it. There is near 100% chance that they will not do it. Why? Look at all the justices, look at their average age, look at their antecedents. Thanks for watching.